Kayla Evan asks, where can I get information on accepting insurance on clients? I'm a student. I want to know if you know anything about it, and none of my instructors accept it, and they don't have any info. With accepting insurance, probably the easiest way to go about that is, for myself, I didn't deal with it directly. So what I did was I made sure the client signed a consent form that I could talk to insurance company to make sure that they're approved, and I would have the client sign a waiver saying that they're going to pay me up front. The client is actually going to pay me. I'm not going to get any money from the insurance companies, but the client has to submit this stuff to get the information, and then they get paid directly from the insurance company. But what you have to do is, after 5 treatments or so, write out a receipt and give that to them so they can submit it. And more likely you have to submit the soap notes to the insurance company. So it's a little bit more headache. And I myself, I didn't charge anything extra. And the problem is with insurance companies, you don't want to, with one client charge one rate, other client charge different. And what about down the road, you actually have 2 clients that go to the same insurance and you're charging different rates. So that's where you can get confusing. So that's why it's a lot better just to do that then. And usually it's 15-minute intervals that you're billing at. The average person, you're not going to bill it underneath actual massage, because when you do that, it probably won't get accepted. So the main one is neuromuscular reeducation. And this link in the sidebar will give you information on the codes, and also the form you have to fill out too. So it gives you a sample form. And where you can buy the forms is massagewarehouse.com. You can get that. Or you can even buy, I've even seen them at Staples before, but it's a red form. But some people will do electronic billing too, so that's another option. And a lot of therapists are trying to get away from insurance billing, and I know chiropractors too, they're going on more of a cash basis, just because it is so frustrating. So sometimes you're not going to get the full amount. So that's why if you're working for a chiropractor, they're charging, I mean, you're only getting a little amount with each massage you give. More than likely they're not making a tons, even though you think they're billing a lot. They're not guaranteed that. And what if the money's held up in litigation? So with some insurance companies, even though you say one amount, you're not getting the full amount. So that's what's frustrating about it. But again, the easiest way is to have the client to sign a waiver saying that they're not guaranteed to get the full amount from the insurance company, that you have nothing to do with it, you as a therapist. So, and then the client actually pays you directly, and then they submit that stuff to the insurance company. But again, any kind of notes that you take are technically legal notes, so they can bring up in the court of law with that then. And if you're going to do electronic billing, they say you have to follow the HIPAA law. So HIPAA is basically a confidentiality thing, and also on the link over there too, it gives a link for a HIPAA form, kind of idea with that then. So I hope that helped with insurance billing. But there's even classes. One of the links over there is a class you can take on it. So an online class, and I've known that Vivian's held regular classes too. So if you're interested in insurance billing, but the thing is, every single state it can be different with insurance billing and the whole works. And so just let me know in your state what you guys do or what you deal with insurance billing. I'll leave in the comment section below. So again, every state is a little bit different how they handle it and how they deal with things. So let me know those kind of things. And thanks.